You too. I
Are you
can see.
recording this conversation?
Absolutely. Why not?
Yeah,
What happened?
yeah. Do you want to upload on YouTube?
As usual.
Uh, yeah. So yeah. So how your weekend? Last weekend gone?
It was good. I am. I went to my at my friend at home. We spent lots of time there, and it was good weekends last weekend. And as a special talk, I was conversation with my friends, and after that, I meet him. I meet him that time, and he threw me party. So it was good weekend.
Do you have making a lots of fun the last week?
Yeah, right now I have a few of friends, not a lot, few of friends.
Yeah. So what the plan for your next couple of next week, next weekend, and the last time of the year? Do you have any plan for the last at the time?
Uh, I don't have any plan about this, but I will make plan. I will make plan about walking with my friends, but not now. I will. I'll.
Yeah. So what do you think about the next year? So do you have any do you have
I'm
any?
th- Mhm. I'm
Yeah, yeah.
thinking. I'm thinking next year will and to spend. It's a bit awesome, like awesome. It's not a like a and 2020 and like a pandemic. This is not. Everybody will have happy next year as well as I'm towards my according to me, I will spend my time. I will make a new plan and for go ahead next year. Mm, what it will make to make it? Let's see.
Yeah. So how is the weather weather in your place? Is very cold there in your side?
Cold. Age weather is cold. And then something of foggy days in a morning time, morning period, and foggy dropping foggy. So we don't able to go outside because of foggy and something and cold, freezing. Something freezing that on.
How is the temperature in day and night?
And 13 degrees something, 13,
Sorry, 18 in the day or in the
13.
night?
Right now I'm seeing what is the and 14. Right now 14.
14 in the night. The temperature will be low. Again,
Mm,
temperature will be low, right?
low at all low. Yeah, exactly.
In the night, the temperature fall down, right?
Yeah,
In night.
but it's special morning period. Morning too much. We can't go outside.
Yeah. So do
Mhm.
you do you like winter?
Of course, I like winter too much. I like a winter season is so awesome for me. And then many people spend this time, and somebody count the days, and when will a season and so like a new seasons, winter seasons before Deepavali, and started winter season. Somebody
Yeah.
wait this time, this period, and too. I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to let this time, and I want to enjoy this season with my friends at home. We get into in quiet at night. Oh, something
Yeah.
awesome, yeah. And see like at night we can watch a movie and on the television and
uh,
serials and this
we
time with the family.
which movie you see?
By the way, I have TV, but I don't watch TV. My mom don't doesn't let me watch TV.
Oh,
Only
why?
mobile. You can use mobile because TV habit is bad habits. TV is engaging. If you will watch TV, your eyes will damage and will also say something. So my mom doesn't allow me. All my family.
Yeah.
And how about you?
Yeah, my weekend is totally a busy weekend last week. I think is a busy schedule right now. I think I will be some getting some break after 25 of December. In the
Mm.
Christmas vacation, I will be more free on this time. So I have thinking to travel some places around my country. So yeah, I want to going to the sea beach area. I want to thinking. So let's see in Christmas vacation how can I utilize my Christmas vacation.
You
Yeah,
to like, yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
So yeah.
So
So
how
do
to
you have any? Yeah.
celebrate? Uh, may I ask you a question? How to celebrate Christmas Day festival?
Actually, okay, in Christmas Day we have some vacation in the in the last couple of days, like 3 or 4 days. Like
Mhm.
after the 25 January to the next New Year, there are some like 1 month, like one week vacation weather here. So something is closed maybe. Yeah,
Mhm.
so that is a good time for traveling. But right now coronavirus is increasing, but traveling is open by the government.
Traveling open at already.
Yeah,
Mhm.
so people are
This time.
traveling, but I am thinking some little bit afraid of coronavirus. Yeah,
Not afraid, not afraid, not afraid. It's about coronavirus. Coronavirus has been and gone out.
yeah. So in your place, the tourist places is open, like Taj Mahal or any
Everything
other places.
open. Everything has been opened from government.
So local tourists are coming to the Taj Mahal area.
Tourist.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, of course. There are many people coming in local area, and but it's not a fauna type not coming here because and like international flight is not allowed. There are many foreigners are afraid COVID-19, so that's why they are not coming. They are not visiting Taj Mahal, Lal Killa, sorry, Red Fort. But
Oh,
next year, 2021, they will come. So many
yeah,
people.
yeah,
Mhm. So, do you have any
yeah.
ideas about how to stay motivated always?
Stay motivated. I have some like I have not so many idea, but stay motivated. I think you should think in proper way. If
Yeah.
you thinking in proper way, I think you may be motivated. Sometimes
Mhm.
people are depression, some because depression is a very hindrance of motivation, I think. So
Mhm.
you should not be depressed anymore. If you
Yeah.
depressed, it will be hampering your to get motivation. So yeah, so what do you do to get motivated? Do you have any specific idea to be?
Specific ideas. Yeah, I have many ideas about how to stay motivated every time. First of all, think your background. How's my background? How's my background right now? And I will achievement. First of all, think deeply, and I will achievement still and until I succeed. I will not. I'm not hardworking. I'm going ahead. It's not that. Think is every time you are taking any steps and go ahead. Think about your background. How's my background, middle background, higher background, doesn't matter. But think and like a poor less. Think like a NS because you want to succeed. Because mind is very rude. Mind don't want to think hardworking. Mind want to only enjoy life, enjoy. First of all, we have to become and like a motivate, like a hardworking. I will take enjoy after success. It's a good, but see, sometimes problem is say and my mind is not working. But why don't you mind you not working? Your mind, please convince your mind. But sometimes there are many people's able and not to understand, not to make understand their mind. Yeah, because my mind is not working. I'm not in a mood. I don't want to hard work right now. But my condition, my situations is deeply. I don't have money. I know. I don't have a colleague. I don't know. I know. But I know ahead, how to take action. First of all, think deeply. I've told you about this. Think background thinking, and this, you're watching videos, motivation videos. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you stay motivation. After that, you
Sorry, I cannot listen you.
first
Sound
of
is not
all,
coming. Yeah, yeah,
first of all, first of all, your your feelings, understand feelings. How's my feeling right now? I am deserving, not deserving. I like my this direction. I am just thinking this is my good direction, yeah, and some of the bad direction. I'm going in the wrong direction. Not think always like succeed, like you succeed, like you think I will succeed one day. I think only work on one direction. Don't change direction. If you change direction, so how is your? It's not huge. I think it's no use hard working. You are time pass something. Suppose you are time pass something, you're not hard working. You are change direction. This wage good, this wage good, and there are many, so many people's and think is, and I will and to and job I will do this right now.
yeah. Tell
Yes,
me, carry on.
video SMS catching is not here, so you send me some photo and see screenshot. It's video
No,
like aging.
no, I take some snapshot for thumbnail. Some good thumbnail.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You are
But
it.
yeah, yeah.
Thanks, and absolutely
But
you uploading. It's done matter, but think is condition should good.
yeah, yeah. Because if you take snapshot, the thumbnail will be the high resolution thumbnail. Otherwise, if you cut from like YouTube auto generated thumbnail is not so not high resolution. It's only like
Okay, okay.
180 pixel. So
So I've told you about how to stay motivated. Think background, how's my background, and keep on working on your goal and on a target. Then you can stay motivated. Otherwise, you don't have any way.
yeah.
You didn't wear your cap today. You
No, no, I don't take my headphone anymore. I have using my earphone right now.
Mhm, mhm.
Yeah, yeah,
I think you have got dumb, on his here.
yeah, yeah. I have a streamer, so I
Yeah.
get streamed
Mhm.
some week ago.
Yeah. But why? Any reason? I think I feeling cold, feeling summer.
Not actually. I have some hair fall problem, so
Oh,
my
yeah.
hair is falling down. So
Mhm.
that's why I trim. Yeah.
Exactly. Have never miss update from Camille Vlogging channel. Start a conversation with the vocabularies. Thanks for watching this video. Keep it watching. Good luck.